Are you struggling with the challenge of being able to love yourself? Maybe you battle to forgive yourself for something that happened in the past? Or maybe you find yourself loving and helping other people to the detriment of your own health and well-being. Today I'm going to share with you 10 tips on how to get your life back in balance so you can start loving yourself as you deserve. Tip 1. Practice self-care regularly. This can include activities like taking a warm bath, going for a walk, or setting aside time for a hobby you enjoy. Tip 2. Seek out healthy relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, and make an effort to cultivate positive relationships with others. Tip 3. Set boundaries and stand up for yourself. It's important to take care of yourself and prioritize your own needs. Don't be afraid to say no to things that don't align with your values or well-being. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Remember that you are human and it's okay to make mistakes. Speak to yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer a good friend. Tip 5. Seek out activities that bring you joy and purpose. Find hobbies and activities that bring you a sense of fulfillment and meaning, and make time for them in your life. Tip 6. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things that you are grateful for can help shift your perspective and improve your overall well-being. Make it a habit to write down a few things you are thankful for each day. Tip 7. Take care of your physical health. Eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and getting regular exercise are all important for maintaining both physical and mental health. Tip 8. Seek support when you need it. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling. This can be in the form of therapy, support groups, or just confiding in a trusted friend or family member. Tip 9. Learn to forgive yourself. We all make mistakes and it's important to learn from them and grow rather than dwelling on them. Practice self-forgiveness and let go of negative self-judgment. Tip 10. Focus on your strengths. We all have unique strengths and talents, so make an effort to identify and focus on yours. This can help boost your self-confidence and improve your overall sense of self-worth. Remember, self-love is a journey and it takes time and effort. It's important to be patient with yourself and be kind to yourself along the way.